Elon Musk just turned the aviation world upside down with a bold announcement that's echoing across every boardroom in America. While industry veterans at Boeing assumed he was just speaking hypothetically, Tesla had already taken the next step. They were testing a prototype aircraft that might forever change private aviation. At a price tag of just $79,797, Musk is making what was once a luxury of the wealthy available to everyday Americans who've been locked out of personal flight for decades. Today, you're getting an exclusive glimpse behind the curtain at the revolutionary aircraft that has traditional manufacturers scrambling to keep up. Tesla's supersonic, electric, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, often called the eVTOL, has been designed not only for performance but for real-world usability. Forget about traditional runways, this plane can take off and land from your very own backyard. With a requirement of just 2,500 square feet of flat space, less than 11% of the average American yard, this aircraft transforms suburban lawns into private runways. Tesla's innovative tilt-rotor design uses 8 highly efficient motors that allow the plane to lift vertically and then transition smoothly into horizontal flight. Controlled entirely by advanced AI, the system ensures that takeoffs and landings are executed with remarkable accuracy, 98% precision in real time, to be exact. Even if your yard has a slope, trees, or garden sheds, Tesla's sensors continuously scan and adapt to the environment, ensuring a smooth and safe descent every time. Whether you live on Kentucky bluegrass or a patchy lawn behind your workshop, the plane lands with less impact than your weekend lawnmower. Weighing just 1,600 pounds, the aircraft applies only 5 pounds of pressure per square inch, half of what a typical riding mower does. Its retractable landing pads and adaptive suspension spread the load evenly, preventing any damage to your grass or landscaping. This attention to detail shows Tesla thought about everything, including homeowners associations and the pride people take in their lawns. After each flight, the wings fold in seamlessly so that the entire aircraft fits into a standard 20 by 20 foot garage. No hangar needed, just pull in like you would with a pickup truck. What truly opens the skies to every corner of America is the plane's jaw-dropping range. Tesla's 250-mile-per charge capability is made possible by their new super aluminum-ion battery, giving pilots the ability to fly cross-country non-stop. From New York to Miami in a single flight, no layovers, no TSA lines, no airline delays. The plane has been designed not just for city hops but for deep exploration. It opens access to over 90% of private vacation homes, mountain retreats, lake houses, and other secluded destinations that have never been reachable by traditional aircraft. Tesla has prioritized user-friendliness for all, especially for senior pilots. Features like fully automated takeoff and landing remove stress and eliminate the need for complex pilot training. In fact, while the FAA requires 40 hours of flight training for a license, Tesla's AI handles much of the workload, making the experience smooth and approachable for older users who still crave adventure but prefer simplicity. But Musk didn't stop at battery power. Tesla's engineers integrated ultra-thin, lightweight solar panels directly into the aircraft's wings, using advanced photovoltaic material drawn from the company's residential solar roof division. Measuring just 0.1 mm thick and covering 400 square feet of wing surface, these solar panels are both energy-generating and aerodynamic. They add less than 50 pounds to the total weight and improve rather than hinder performance. The real marvel, though, is how they're integrated into the folding wing mechanism. Using Tesla's patented flexible polymer materials and microconnectors, the panels retain full efficiency even after 10,000 folding cycles, a durability that matches the aircraft's projected 20-year service life. A self-healing nanocoating repairs microcracks automatically, ensuring that the solar system operates near peak efficiency even after years of exposure to the elements and repeated use. The benefits aren't theoretical. On sunny days, the solar system provides 25 kilowatts of continuous power, extending the range by 30% or 450 miles, pushing the total to 1,950 miles. In overcast weather, it still delivers 10 kilowatts, adding about 225 miles of range. Even when flying at night, the 100 kilowatt-hours onboard battery, now 30% denser than Tesla's 2023 battery models, maintains a baseline range of 1,500 miles. Whether flying over the Rockies, crossing the Midwest, or cruising above the coastline, this aircraft is built for sustained, long-haul performance. The integration of solar energy into structural components, rather than as an afterthought, sets Tesla's approach far apart from other companies retrofitting older aircraft with solar panels. Tesla's design uses every inch efficiently, combining power generation with aerodynamic advantage. Then comes the safety. One of aviation's longest-standing hazards, bird strikes, has been virtually solved by Tesla's proprietary bioradar system. Drawing from the full self-driving, FSD, suite used in millions of Tesla vehicles, this aircraft is outfitted with a comprehensive network of LiDAR and radar sensors. These sensors scan the skies within a 1-mile radius, detecting birds and other airborne threats with 99% accuracy. Powered by AI trained on over 10 million data points from bird migration and flight patterns, the system automatically adjusts course and altitude in milliseconds to avoid strikes. Traditional planes still rely on reinforced windshields or engine barriers, but Tesla took a different path: don't hit birds at all. It's proactive safety rather than reactive defense. And it's made for real people. Especially seniors who may not want the pressure of handling sudden threats while flying. The interface displays simple alerts like, flock detected, rerouting, using large, high-contrast text on a 20-inch dash screen. The AI handles the rerouting, leaving the pilot free to enjoy the ride. It's a system designed to reduce stress and make flight feel safe, smooth, and serene. With bird strikes causing over $1.2 billion in damages annually in the U.S. alone, and accounting for 15% of private aviation incidents, this innovation could redefine aviation safety standards. While legacy aircraft makers continue building stronger cockpits, Tesla has sidestepped the problem entirely by leveraging predictive intelligence. So, what happens when the biggest obstacles to private flight, cost, complexity, infrastructure, range, and safety, are all removed in a single design? Tesla didn't just build a plane. They redefined what aviation could be. You can now take off from your own backyard, skip every line, bypass every airport, and land wherever your heart wants to go. Whether that's a family cabin deep in the mountains, a beach house along the coast, or your winter home in the south, you'll get there on your own time, safely, cleanly, and affordably. Musk didn't deliver a pipe dream, he delivered a new blueprint. With a price under $80,000 and features no other aircraft combines, solar augmentation, AI-powered automation, backyard landings, and self-protecting systems, Tesla has rewritten the rulebook on personal aviation. And if you're thinking this all sounds like science fiction, remember, the same thing was said when Tesla announced self-driving cars. Now they're everywhere. The sky isn't the limit anymore, it's just the beginning.